Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to unbox this AILKIN Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. So this is an adapter, one end is lightning and other end is 3.5mm jack. Some logos are given in the bottom: lightning logo, 3.5, aux logo, music logo, and braided wire binding logo. And on the side there is AILKIN logo. AILKIN brand name is written on both the sides. And on the top and bottom, as you here, we can see a warning: read below before opening to avoid warranty lapse. And we can see a QR code: scan the QR code before opening box to avoid warranty lapse. And the WhatsApp number is given. And the features of this is given in the back of the box: aluminum shell, nylon braided cable, support to lightning interface equipment, automatical upgrade, plug and play, support all devices on iOS 11 or later, include iPod touch, iPad and iPhone. And lightning transfer audio to 3.5 jack. iPhone 7 does not use 3.5mm audio port or anymore, and it is replaced by the adapter cable, the ultrafast 3.5mm audio universal port. And as you can see here, iPhone and iPad's logo is given, and the cable is given, and some barcode information. And MRP is given as rupees 2999, but I bought it for a discounted price of rupees 600 during an Amazon offer period. And the disclaimer and the warranty information and address are given on the back side of the box. And we can open it in the both sides, top and bottom there is opening. So let's peel the cover of the top, break the seal and take the product out. As you can see, I have already opened the product. This is only for demonstration purpose. I am opening it again, and this is our product. It is on the back of a cardboard sheet. We can just take it out simply here. So this is the product, and let's keep it aside and see what else is there inside the box. As you can see, there are two cards inside the box. Let's take these cards out, and it's not coming out from this side, so let's take it out from the other side. So let's break the seal on the other side and open the other side and take the card out. So this is a special message from CEO. Hey there, thank you for purchasing our product, and support information, support phone numbers, CEO contact numbers. And on the other side, need direct assistance, you can reach me personally, and given the CEO contact number and a group photo of the brand's employees. Now let's take another card. One more card is there. I think it may be some warranty information or for feedback. Yes, this is, I think, for feedback. Scan me. I would like to hear from you. So some cards. So this is a new brand, new startup. So they have given their support card. So this is our product. This is the 3.5mm jack port, and this wire is so flexible. It is very premium. It looks premium. It's very flexible, and it's good quality of a premium product. And on the other end, we can see the lightning male part, and a code is written here, MY126. This 126 may be the manufacturing date, that is the first month of 2026, January 2026. It has the material quality of a premium product. So I'm connecting this Sennheiser headset with this product. So this is the headset of Sennheiser brand. We can see the Sennheiser logo here and Sennheiser text written here. So this is a Sennheiser CX180 branded headphone. I bought it at around 2000, I think. So it's an old product, but still it's working fine. It is working very good. It works in every product that has a 3.5 headphone jack. So since iPhone doesn't has 3.5 headphone jack, I am using this adapter to connect it to my iPhone 13 to see if it's working fine. So only iPhone 13 and 14, up to iPhone 13 and 14 has this this lightning adapter, lightning port now. Others has been replaced by type C port. So let's connect this 3.5mm headphone adapter with my iPhone and see the working quality of the adapter. The headphones sound quality is very good as for every Sennheiser product, but I cannot demonstrate the working of this headphone jack on my iPhone because I'm shooting this video on my iPhone. So I will just tell you my experience after using this adapter with my iPhone. It is working and the sound is hearing, but the sound quality is not that good. There are some noises with this adapter. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.